Hey everyone, this is Jose Reyes with the XP Realty, and I want to talk to you about probate and in particular undue influence. Now, this is the sad part of probate in that people, when they're looking at an estate that's going to get distributed and portion would go to them, or maybe normally would not go to them, people sometimes will do things that are inappropriate in order to influence the decedent before their passing and either get them added to the will of trust or to increase their portion of the will of trust. Undue influence is a form of elder abuse. It is a crime and it should be dealt with accordingly. Having said that, this is one more reason why you need access to a legal professional who can review all documents and someone who may be familiar with the family dynamic to determine if everything is correct and appropriate, or if there may have been some undue influence used to better an heir's situation. I won't get into more details about that because this is very deep legal waters, and I am simply a realtor. I help with real estate matters, and I have professionals that I can reach out to that can handle the legal and the tax matters. So if you want to get a reference, feel free to scan the QR code. That'll give you my number. You can also reach me via social media. Thank you very much, and you enjoy this beautiful day.